your ultimate source for the latest motorcycles, future tech, and two-wheeled legends. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that needs no introduction, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R. With its name carved into the annals of speed and power, the Hayabusa has returned once again, refined, re-engineered, and more advanced than ever. So what's new? What's changed? And how does it stack up in today's hyperbike world? Let's take a closer look. A legacy that redefined speed. When the Hayabusa first debuted in 1999, it shocked the world. It broke the 300 km/h barrier and earned a reputation as the fastest production motorcycle of its time. The name Hayabusa, which means peregrine falcon in Japanese, a bird known for its speed, wasn't just clever branding. It became a symbol of brute performance, aerodynamic design, and sheer dominance on the open road. Fast forward to 2025, and Suzuki hasn't forgotten what made this machine iconic. But the motorcycle landscape has changed. Environmental standards, electronic technology, and consumer expectations have all evolved. The 2025 Hayabusa embraces all of that, while still delivering the adrenaline-charged experience riders expect. Design and aerodynamics, form still follows function. The 2025 Hayabusa retains the distinctive silhouette that fans love, but Suzuki has taken steps to refine and modernize it. The bike still looks fast while standing still, with its elongated front fairing, muscular tail section, and low-slung profile. Every curve is shaped with aerodynamics in mind. Subtle tweaks to the fairing edges, air ducts, and vent placement reduce drag and improve high-speed stability. According to Suzuki, the 2025 model offers improved downforce and smoother airflow, enhancing both performance and rider comfort at high speeds. New LED lighting all around gives the Hayabusa a futuristic edge, while fresh color schemes like Pearl Vigor Blue, metallic matte sword silver, and a stealthy glass sparkle black give riders a choice between bold and elegant. Engine and performance, the heart still roars. At the core of the 2025 Hayabusa is the legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but it's been further refined for both performance and efficiency. Suzuki didn't go the turbocharged or hybrid route, instead, they doubled down on mechanical excellence. This version of the engine features reworked internals, lighter components, and improved combustion efficiency. It now delivers around 195 horsepower at 9,700 rpm and 150 Nm of torque at 7,000 rpm, giving it monstrous mid-range power that's perfect for real-world riding. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h takes just under 2.8 seconds, while top speed remains electronically limited to 299 km/h. While the horsepower figures haven't seen a dramatic leap, the engine response, throttle feel, and smoothness are noticeably improved, making the 2025 model more engaging than ever before. Electronic suite, a modern brain for a speed demon. Where the Hayabusa of old relied on raw power, the 2025 model brings in a host of cutting-edge electronics that make it both safer and more customizable. Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, returns, but with expanded capabilities. It includes 10-level traction control, 6 riding modes, 3 preset and 3 customizable, bidirectional quick shifter, lean-sensitive ABS, launch control, engine brake control, and wheelie control. The addition of cruise control, hill hold control, and a slope-dependent braking system adds versatility for touring riders. The system is managed via a high-contrast TFT LCD display, which replaces the older analog-digital hybrid cluster. It's bright, intuitive, and easy to navigate, a necessary step for a machine of this caliber. Frame, suspension, and handling, taming the beast. While the engine grabs the headlines, the 2025 Hayabusa's frame and suspension upgrades are just as critical to the riding experience. It continues to use the aluminum twin-spar frame, which offers an excellent balance of rigidity and weight. However, Suzuki has revised the swing arm and subframe, shedding a few pounds and improving cornering dynamics. Front suspension duties are handled by KYB fully adjustable 43mm inverted forks, while the rear features a link-type monoshock, also from KYB. The tuning focuses on comfort and stability without sacrificing performance, making the bike suitable for high-speed highway runs and spirited canyon carving. Cornering is aided by Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S23 tires, which provide exceptional grip and stability. The handling, while not sport bike sharp, is surprisingly nimble for a 266 kg machine. It's stable at high speeds, predictable in turns, and comfortable enough for long hauls. Brakes and safety, big speed demands big stoppers. To match its power, the Hayabusa needs serious braking capability, and Suzuki delivers. Up front, the 2025 model uses dual 320mm discs with Brembo-style calipers, offering superb bite and feedback. At the rear is a single 260mm disc with a Nissin caliper. The braking system is integrated with a cornering ABS unit, ensuring optimal performance even in emergency stops on varied surfaces. There's also rear lift mitigation, which helps keep the bike grounded during hard braking, a welcome feature when you're decelerating from triple-digit speeds. Touring and everyday comfort, not just a drag strip king. Unlike many hyperbikes, the Hayabusa has always offered a degree of practicality, and Suzuki continues this tradition. The riding position, while sporty, is more relaxed than a traditional superbike. The wide seat, decent wind protection, and relatively upright bars make it suitable for long-distance touring. For 2025, Suzuki has improved seat cushioning, vibration damping, and heat management around the engine area. Riders report less fatigue over long journeys and better comfort in city riding. There's also a new smart key system, USB charging port, and optional heated grips, making it a truly modern sport tourer. Fuel economy and emissions, more responsible muscle. In today's world, raw performance must also meet emission regulations and efficiency standards. The 2025 Hayabusa is €5 plus compliant, thanks to revised fuel injection, a more efficient exhaust system, and improved combustion. Fuel economy averages around 6.5 L a 100 km, or roughly 36 miles per gallon, depending on riding style. Not outstanding, but acceptable for a hyperbike. Suzuki has managed to make the Hayabusa more environmentally friendly without neutering its soul, a tough balancing act in this category. Pricing and competition, still a value icon. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is priced starting at $19,499, placing it squarely in the hyperbike segment alongside competitors like the Kawasaki Ninja ZX1300R, BMW S1000RR, and Kawasaki H2 SX SE. While it may not have the supercharger of the H2 or the racetrack finesse of the S1000RR, the Hayabusa offers unmatched real-world power, long-distance comfort, and a reputation that few can rival. For many riders, it's still the perfect blend of performance, prestige, and practicality. Final thoughts, the Hayabusa spirit lives on. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that performance and heritage can evolve without compromise. It honors its roots while embracing the future. It's not the fastest in every metric anymore, but it's still the most balanced, usable, and recognizable hyperbike out there. For riders who want a machine that can tear up a straightaway, cruise comfortably for hundreds of miles, and turn heads at every gas station, the 2025 Hayabusa delivers in full. Thanks for watching, subscribe to Bike Future. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Future, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Whether you're into superbikes, cruisers, electric motorcycles, or future tech, we've got you covered. Drop a comment below, would you choose the new Hayabusa over the competition? What's your dream spec for this beast? Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep chasing the future, only on Bike Future.